Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Mares Flexa 643 hood. So this is a bibless hood, so it's great for dry suit diving. It has multiple thicknesses depending on which panel you're looking at. So you've got sort of 6mm over the main section of your head, so that's going to keep you nice and warm. But sort of around your face and around your chin, it gets a lot thinner, so you get that flexibility and it's not going to give you that jaw ache. So if we look at the top of the hood has a venting system. So you have 2 layers of neoprene and these little holes in here. And that just means that when you're scuba diving, typically your hood goes over your mask. So if you equalize your mask, the air can come out and it can end up being stuck inside of your hood. And as you ascend, that's going to expand. So then your hood expands and it looks very silly. So this system just allows any expanding gas to escape out of the top of the hood, keeps it nice and close, means that you don't get an air bubble in the top of your head. You also have some holes over your ears as well, because when you're wearing a thicker hood like 6mm, it can muffle your ears so you can't quite hear. This just allows a little bit of sort of sound to get through so you can actually hear what's going on, but also acts in that similar way. It lets sort of expanding gas just expand and escape out of the hood. So single piece of neoprene, there is a stitch down there, right down your chin, but this is blind stitch, so it doesn't actually end up on the other side. So that means it's not going to rub, it's going to be nice and comfortable, and water can't seep through it. As you can also see all the way around your face, this is glide skin material. Glide skin, very effective at sealing against your skin, stopping water from flushing in and flushing out, so that's going to stay nice and warm. On the inside of the hood, you just have a very traditional lining once you get past this glide skin around the neck. Simple lining, nothing too fancy, but it's got to get in and around all of that glide skin around the cheek, around your face, and around the neck as well. So because it's around the neck, that can seal quite effectively against latex neck seals, silicone neck seals, but also a lot of wetsuit neck seals as well. Very effective, stopping the water from flushing in and flushing out, just means you're going to stay nice and warm. So it's a great little hood. 6mm means that you're going to stay a little bit warmer than a 5mm, but because it's got that different sort of thickness all around it, it's going to be nice and flexible and nice and comfortable. So this is the Mares Flexa 643 hood. Thanks for watching and safe diving.